You need to focus.
Okay, well.
Come on, Juan. Hurry up and lose.
Oh. Yeah, I'm getting my revenge stuff right now.
How did you fix it, man?
You just fuck with it for a little bit. You gotta be gentle with it.
I was gentle. I was a gentle giant. What the fuck? No, I wasn't.
I was going in shirt.
Man, come on. I'm a gentle.
Running back.
I'm built for comfort, man.
Not for speed.
Of course not for speed, man. Why do you think I have a slow trigger finger?
I do.
No, I go slow. Like the, you know, no.
Wait, don't fucking joking me.
Ooh, skadoosh.
Oh shit.
Skadoosh. Skadoosh.
Oh, nut. Ah, fuck, I get out of this fucking thing.
You fucking.
Chill, Bill, this is the game.
No.
Ooh, skadoosh. What the fuck?
You fucking Jesus, did you saw it?
Yeah, I saw that shit.
Holy shit.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, somebody's bad.
Damn, dude, go back to your casino. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, you really got it.
Wow, y'all fail.
I do. I got it first time you said it. It was a fat joke, right?
Whoa, calm down.
Oh, retarded. So you missed the one. God damn it.
Damn.
Okay, I'm done. Take these off.
What the oh. Oh shit, round 3. This is the farthest y'all made it. No, I'm kidding. You win.
What?
You're not just all playing. He's like kicked him. Oh shit. The Green Lantern. The Indian Green Lantern, man.
Oh, you fucking homo. What you even think about it,
Fucking shit, dude.
I'm being Juan. Look, I'm being Juan.
Wow.
You didn't even know it, that's why.
Yeah, I know. I forget it, dude. I have like a memory of a fucking peanut.
You have a memory of a penis?
It's a peanut balls.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say about a whore penis. Wow, fail.
Told you peanut
See, you
butter.
couldn't even do it either.
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
I'm still doing. I'm always doing it.
Oh, fuck.
Why are you
Fuck!
Uh-huh.
Shut up.
damn controller?
You cursed the fucking game. I still won that.
No.